Okay, today's test for the Potensic drone, the Atom series with the 3-axis gimbal. We're going to test to see how stable it is in higher wind conditions. Today the gusts are approaching 18 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a quick snapshot of what I currently got going. I think it's about 17.8 miles per hour. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and launch this thing. It's not bad. It seems to be pretty stable. You can see the wind blowing. Alright, that's actually pretty impressive. Alright, so let's move this up a little bit higher. Yeah, there we go. Let's get some gustas, for choice of better words. Okay, you can hear it making the adjustments with the wind. Still seems to be doing okay. And again, you can see the wind blowing. And we got Mrs. Kitty here, kind of wondering what's going on. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the controller here. You can see that the video feed is pretty stable. It's not moving around. The gimbal is doing its job, even though the drone is bouncing around in the gusts, but it's not doing bad. All right, let's bring her in for a landing. All right, so overall I'm pretty impressed. There seems to be no major issues. I doubt I would really run this thing up to hundreds of feet, you know, especially where the gust conditions might hit over 20 miles per hour. But as far as maneuvering around stuff here in the yard and or at least hovering and taking some video, gusts, I don't know, between 10 and maybe 20 miles an hour, it'd probably do okay. So anyway, that's my assessment on the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal drone in windy conditions.